It's not just the views that will stop you, it's everything else too. Welcome to 11609 East Quartz Rock Road, sitting on nearly 3 acres behind the gates of an exclusive North Scottsdale enclave. The floor plan features over 7,400 square feet of single-level living space, thoughtfully split for privacy and flow. From the moment you step through the grand entrance, you're met with a wide open layout that's both elevated and inviting, the kind of space that instantly feels like home, expansive, elegant, and filled with light. At the heart of the home, a chef's kitchen designed to bring people together, with 2 marble islands, top-tier appliances, and room to cook, gather, and entertain without ever feeling crowded. From movie nights to wine tastings, the theater and wine room offer the kind of relaxed luxury that makes staying in feel just as special as going out. This is where it all comes together, elevated but livable. It's not just beautiful, it's actually the kind of home you want to live in. Every bedroom features its own ensuite bath, offering comfort and privacy for everyone who calls this home. Out back, it's your own private sanctuary. The mountain doesn't just feel close, it feels like it's part of your backyard. This home is minutes from Pinnacle Peak, Troon North Golf Club, trails, fine dining, the 4 seasons, and endless desert sky. This is North Scottsdale at its best. If you've been waiting for something truly rare, this just might be it.